Hi guys, how you guys doing? So I am back to show you a couple of things that I've listed on my Etsy shop. I'll start with these little vintage playing cards, and these are the Norman Rockwell, and I'm selling these in the shop as a pack of 4. This one is these are a set. This one is spring. Let's see if I could show you this better. This one is spring, and then this one here is summer. So pretty. And this one is fall. Little kids going to school. And then this one is winter. So I have that listed in the shop. And I can't remember how many I listed, maybe 10 or 12, and they'll come in a little craft envelope like this, or either a craft envelope like this or a teal envelope like this. So you'll get either a craft or a teal little envelope that you can also use in your junk journal. I also listed some little S&H kits. So you will receive, all the kits are identical, and I think I have 6 kits. So you'll get one of these quick saver books, and they all have stamps, and I picked the ones that have the more or less the same amount of stamps. So this is what these all look like. Well, they all have the stamps. So neat. My sister is here, and she was telling me that she remembers my mom collecting these. That's funny. I have no memory of these, but she was saying that she remembers my mom collecting them. And then you will get on these, I try to get you know, booklets that have more or less the same amount of stamps. If for any reason I see that you know, one has a lot less than the others, then I will just include you know, a couple extra sheets of stamps so that you have, you know, more. They won't be attached, but I'll just, you know, add a couple sheets because I want everybody to have more or less the same amount of stamps, okay? So just FYI. So then I included the award certificates, are everybody's getting the same amount. So you'll get 2 of the 100 award certificate green stamps, and they are unused. They have the serial numbers. And then you'll get, I think it's 6 of the 300 stamps. So you'll get these, and they're all unused as well. These are so fun. So funny. This was a really good incentive for people to go shopping back in the day, huh? Smart, that was a smart promotion thing. And then you'll get a 4-in-1 saver book. And I made sure everybody got a saver book that was pretty much full. Now on some of the saver books, maybe the where the crease is, it came unattached, but you still get the full sheet. Just you know, I guess from the age it came unattached, but you know, hey, it's, you know, it's vintage, it's old, so sometimes that happens, but you will still get all of the stamps. But this is what they look like, and then this is the back. So they are pretty much the same. I tried to get them to where they are pretty much the same. Yeah, I lucked out when I found these. So that is what I have in the shop. And then remember I showed you these panels. They are like a polyester type thing. Well, I finally got some in the shop, and I only listed 6. So they're gonna come to you in a whole big piece like this, and the piece is, I believe, 57 inches wide by 16 inches long. Okay, and it's a cream color. These are perfect. I've been using them in my journals as pockets and belly bands. These are perfect because they are a little stiff, the lace. Let me put this back there. They have a really pretty design. They are a little bit stiff because I think this was used for vertical blinds. They're perfect for belly bands. They're perfect for pockets, for maybe a little corner tuck. They're really nice. So I listed, I think, five of these in the shop. So you will get all of that, and you can just go ahead and cut them apart or do whatever you want with them. So you'll get a big long panel, 16 by 57, and then you cut them, and each little panel is about 3 inches. Yeah, 3 1/4 inches wide. So, and they all have the pretty design. So those are the 3 items that I listed in the shop. So if you haven't gone over, go ahead and stop on in. And yeah, that is all I have. And let me see, anything else? No, that is it, guys. Alright, guys, well, I thank you so much for stopping in, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.